Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. You just click. You will find here settings. Just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. You just keep going down here. So then you come here to auto check for updates. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here auto check for updates disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.